Hey there, Lynn Allen here. Welcome to another DraftSight tip courtesy of Catalyst Magazine. Now, one of the advantages of making the move to a newer CAD program is that when they create it, they have the ability to take those commands that you use all the time and make them shinier and better. A perfect example of that is the Richline command in DraftSight. Hey, I even like the name, which is the equivalent to the MLine command. Oh yeah, the dreaded MLine command inside of AutoCAD. You know what I'm talking about. MLines or multilines, right, allow you to draw multiple parallel lines together all at one time. You might, if you're in the AEC industry, maybe you use it for walls, for example. And you have to set up the style, and we'll do that here inside a DraftSight. And the problem with MLines is that once you draw MLines with a particular style, you set up all your walls, for example, all over your drawing, and you decide you want to make a change to the style, you can't. Too late. Once you put any MLines in the drawing, you can't change the style, and you can't update those MLines. You can't change it to a different style. It is like impossible to change them. What do you get to do? You get to delete them and draw them all over again. Come on. It's like you're using a pencil and paper. This is not the case with Richlines inside of DraftSight. Check it out. All right, enough talk. Tick-tock. Let's take a look at what's going on. We're going to come over here. Where are we going to find it? It's underneath line. Richlines. Hey, I like the name. It's all about being rich. Okay, now first of all though, before we draw them, we want to set up our style, right? So we're going to go Richline style. We just have to type in enough to get there. Let's make a new style. All right, I'm going to say new, and I'm going to name it Lynn, because I know how to spell that. Let's name it Lynn. And what do I want to do? I want to set it up. Now I'm just going to make some simple changes. We're just going to make this really fast. I'm going to just change the color. I'm going to change it so it's a magenta for both of them. All right, really simple. You can see over here I have a nice little preview. That looks great. What else do you want to do? There's a lot of things you can do. I would like to put external arcs on them. How about that? Okay, you good with that? We're good? All right, that's good. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm going to actually say... Should we make it active? Make it the current one as well? Let's do that. I'm just going to make it the current style, and I'm going to say, okay, we're all good. Now let's draw our rich lines. We know where they are now. They're up here. Rich line. We're going to just have a little fun little rich line party. That looks good. I'll hit enter, and I'm going to go out. How's it look? Look pretty good? I like it. You like it? All right, so now someone comes along and says, Lynn, those rich lines, those are wrong. In AutoCAD, I'd have to erase them and make a whole new style and start all over again, and I don't know, pack a lunch and cry and all kinds of things. So, not so. Let's go back into style. Richline style. There it is right there. And let's go take a look at the Lynn style. There it is. And let's make some changes. Let's just make a simple change. Let's just change this, the offset, the negative offset. Let's change it to, I like green. I'm wearing a green sweater. Let's change it to green. I have a nice little visual there. And what else do I want to do? Let's put some lines in there. Let's make a little bit, make some other changes. All right. Look good? I'm going to say, okay. Look it. It updated it. I didn't have to do anything. It's like a miracle. How much time would that have saved you over the years? You're probably crying right now, aren't you? You're crying. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. But all you have to do is make the move to DraftSight, and there'll be no more crying. No more wasted time. You can use the awesome Richline command, and there are plenty of other commands like that that are better and shinier and easier to use. So, don't take my word for it. Download the free trial at DraftSight. No credit card required. Try it for yourself and you will see. And I can't wait to see you next time I share with you another awesome DraftSight tip. Thanks for joining me.